Jake doesn't want to be in his cage because he's a spoiled brat. Look at Jake, huh? How come you're such a spoiled brat, Jake? What are you doing? Huh? You're a spoiled brat. Yeah, you got too much freedom. That's the problem. Now you don't even want to stay in this nice big cage of yours. Do anything to come out, huh? And you've been trying to make Mommy feel guilty. It works sometimes, doesn't it? Yeah. Uh-oh, he can't see you now. What are you doing? Oh, he's gonna spill over the water. You know, he's actually escaped from that door before. I don't know how he does it. Look at you. Look at you. Swing, swing. That looks like fun. That looks like fun, you know, Jake. I kind of want to stay in there. Up. Up. Yeah. He just wants to get out, and this is what I go through on a daily basis when he's in his cage. Spoiled brat. Anybody got any hint as what to do with this little boy when he doesn't want to be in his cage because he's got too much freedom? Look, even Leah's like, what is he doing? Oh, boy. That's an unhappy bird right there. Unhappy. Now let's open up the cage and see what he does. Let's put this back where it is usually. Look. It's open now, you brat. It's open. You don't know it's open? Jake. It's open. Look. Jake. It's open. Look. Oh, boy. Look. You don't even realize it's open, do you? You're just being such a brat. You are being such a brat. Oh, my God. Look, he's going to the top. To the top. Oh, yes. He's going to the top. Oh, back on the swing. Oh, I think he's gone.